Good morning from Playa Piñones in Loíza, Puerto Rico. It's 5:30 in the morning, 82 degrees, and we wake up around 1:30 to open the doors and install a bug netting on the van. The weather takes time to adjust to, but it's a reminder that we truly are in paradise. We're currently traveling the island in a rental van from our friends at Vive, and we invite you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stick around for more VanLife content each Sunday.
Ciao! What's up, Ocean Mama?
Hi, friends! I'm gonna be honest, we spent a hot night, but with an amazing view. Truthfully, I felt like I was in a dream. Like every single time I will wake up and I will see the palm trees, and then I will see the waves, and I will be like, oh, this is so pretty. And then we went on a walk this morning, and I jumped in the water clearly. And now I'm making some breakfast, and I'm super excited because we haven't had like a proper breakfast since we got to Puerto Rico. And now we can because we have our kitchen with us.
It definitely takes some getting adjusted to because we are in the Caribbean. I think we have to keep reminding ourselves that we are on an island with literally a tropic climate. It's humid, and for us, we're used to it, but we're not used to it because we typically follow the weather. And while the weather here is always the same year round, which it's perfect if you ever want to visit. But yeah, so we're getting adjusted to the van. I think it's important if you ever do something like this that you give yourself time to acclimate. You give yourself time to adjust to the van that you're in. The one major benefit right now is that now we finally feel at home with the fact that we can cook our own breakfast and we can store our food. And we haven't been able to do that. I'm stoked because I've missed this so much. Rose cooking.
I look hilarious with my towel.
We headed out on Route 26 to Arecibo, driving straight through San Juan.
We have been a little bit all over the place today, but we finally made it to, I think, where we're gonna try and stay tonight. Oh, and this is locked. There we go. Right here at the lighthouse, and there's one beach over here and there's another beach back behind us. Yeah, I think so far we can stay. I think there are very few beaches that we can't stay at here, which is kind of surprising. Jake's over here using the grill.
We got hot dogs!
Apparently they haven't eaten a hot dog in a long time.
El Faro beach is breathtaking, but I wouldn't advise getting in the water outside of the swimming area at La Poza del Obispo. The waves smash unforgivingly on the volcanic rock walls lining the shore.
After a very cold and windy day on the beach, which we didn't record because it was too cold and too windy to record, we decided to just like stop and sleep right in front of the beach. We're having tequila shots on the top of the deck.
Can I tell you something real quick, babe?
I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the light, maybe it's just you. You look so beautiful right now.
I think you're just saying that for the camera. Oh, I just feel a drop of water.
Oh yeah, there's a big storm coming out.
No! Oh my god, look behind us. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's totally coming this way too. The clouds are going this way.
Well, let's have a shot and then we can get out.
Yeah, I mean, we hang out, and if we get rained on, hey, Puerto Rico.
Welcome to Puerto Rico. Bienvenidos.
I'm gonna melt.
Huepa.
Whippa. Remember correctly, it was Oscar who subscribes to our channel, who's helped keep us on the road, who supports us, who was kind enough to send us a message and a comment saying how much he would appreciate hearing a huepa in our vlogs. So
Here it is.
We've had a couple so far, but here is one more just for you out of nothing but appreciation and love. Huepa!
Cheers to Puerto Rico.
Okay, here we go.
Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa adentro. Pa adentro.
Ay, mami. Huepa.
That's pretty good.
Call me crazy, but the tequila was the missing link to a good night's sleep. And this single serve coffee is what we needed to wake up.
Sitting here on the beach, I couldn't help but think about how Puerto Rico isn't everyone's ideal. But for us, we truly love this island and the people here. It's perfect, exactly how it is.
Let's get it. To the mountains we go.
Let's go! Good morning, friends. We slept amazing last night in El Faro beach. We're in the Arecibo area. And from here, we're driving 37 minutes to meet up with my cousin and her boyfriend, Milton. We're heading to a river. I believe it's a river. And we're gonna be sleeping in the mountain today. So we're gonna be experiencing a totally different area of Puerto Rico. When you think about Puerto Rico, I think more like beach and like hot weather, but supposedly it's gonna be cooler weather. There's gonna be mountains, so I think it's gonna be a very nice break from the heat.
Just seeing the mountains while we were driving around, they look awesome. We drove through them with your family the other day, and truthfully, I just need a break from all the sand. I'm over it.
Who in their right mind likes the ocean but doesn't like the sand? I'm not saying like I'm the biggest fan of the sand and I'm just gonna like roll around in the sand, but I just understand that it's part of the experience. You get a little sandy sometimes.
I would just replace all the sand with neoprene if I could like create something.
We've learned we're the only ones who do the speed limit. The right lane is more or less the fast lane. The landscape here is significantly more diverse than we could have ever imagined, and the roads are winding and narrow as soon as you exit the highway.
You wanna jump? No, thank you.
After more than a week on the beach, the river and cold water was a welcome change. We're in Piedra Blanca, this is a river, and there's tons of white rocks all over, which kind of makes like a canyon. If you continue walking, you can see different parts, like this part, you can jump and you can swim around, but there's other parts like on the top that I think we're about to go, which there's a rock that literally looks like a sofa. So you can just sit there and take some cute pictures. So I think that's what we're doing now.
We made our way over to the sofa, but decided against getting in, since water levels can change drastically when it's raining.
We were gonna try to get into the sofa, which is the rock I explained before, but truthfully, it looks like it's gonna rain and it's kind of hard to get down from here. So I think we're gonna head to our spot for the night, which is Finca Viernes, and we're about 30 minutes from there. So let's head back.
We just made it back to the vans. We're about to head to our spot for the night. Rose was explaining that. But we're gonna cool down because it is super toasty in here. I think it's important to point out that these are legitimate camper vans. So they totally serve the purpose for like a week-long trip. You guys probably noticed some differences even between the two vans and between our van, where we designed our van to live in. This is to go and explore and have a really rad time. And Leila and Carlos have done a fantastic job of making that a reality for everyone.
After such a long drive and thinking that we were gonna die on the cliff going up because there were so many curves, but the view out of the window was so beautiful. It took us around 35 minutes to get Finca Viernes from Piedra Blanca. Vive has actually a whole spot where you can park your van. It's $50 a night. We're gonna make sure to link below all the information for the finca. They have this deck where you can park and you have the view of the lake, which is like breathtaking. We're all here together. We're probably gonna make some dinner. We're gonna have some hot dogs, burgers, I don't know. We're just enjoying the weather because it truthfully feels like we're somewhere else. I don't feel like I'm in Puerto Rico. I'm just like surrounded by mountains, lake. It doesn't feel as hot as when we were down there. So, I don't know. We just have to get a beer and just enjoy the day. Milton, you're in charge of the grill.
Yep.
What are you making?
Some burgers, veggie burgers, hot dogs, and some meat burgers. And I don't know what else. Whatever you guys throw at me, I'll do it.
Natalie is in charge of the pan. She's making
appetizers or something.
more like vegan stuff that we all can share. I'm in charge of the salad, and Heather in the other van is in charge of the beans and rice.
Are you just the best? Let me see them teeth. Wow.
Baby, how's your first shower in Vive Van's van?
Oh my gosh, this shower head is life.
So the water is going, and when you need it to stop, you just stop it right there in that button.
Alright.
Go for it?
Yep. Ooh. Wow, this is nice.
What are you doing in bed?
Oh my god, it's 9 o'clock. I could be sleeping since like 7.
But you're scared of spiders.
Oh, there was a spider. And we couldn't find it, and it's like in the sheets.
It's gonna be sleeping with us tonight.
And I got a bite already in my leg from something, and I don't know what it is, and I'm freaking out. Chase doesn't help. I'm ready for bed. We have a very exciting day tomorrow. Because, first of all, it's someone's birthday.
How old are you turning?
It's your birthday. I don't want to care what you want to. You do what you want to. He's turning, how old do you think is Chase turning? That's the question of the $1 million. Comment down below in this moment. And we're gonna be doing something very fun for his birthday, I think. I hope he likes it.
We're gonna be doing something very fun for my birthday, and I will like it. But man, I'm getting old. I'm getting up there.
You look as handsome as the day I met you.
You guys think that? You think I look as handsome as the day that you met me? I don't like celebrating birthdays, like my own birthday. Anyone else's birthday, that's cool, let's celebrate. But mine?
You don't even like celebrating my birthday. I kind of have the feeling that like I'm gonna be like sleeping and I'm gonna have it on my face or something.
Or in your mouth. You do sleep with your mouth open.
I do not. Do I really sleep with my mouth open?
Sometimes.
How?
See you in the morning.
Good morning, birthday boy.
I sleep amazing.
Do you know who got coffee in bed this morning? Me. This Nini. I did. Who do you think you are? I am. No, I slept good last night. It rained a lot. It was cool. The dog, which I don't know his name, we're just gonna call him Good Boy, stay here all night. And I think he ran some people off.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure, but there was a whole lot of barking going on at certain parts of the night. So we're gonna eat breakfast, friends. And I think I'm not gonna do anything. I don't do anything anyway, but I'm not gonna do anything.
The honesty is appreciated.
I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it.
Hi, boy.
Here you go, Bobo.
Wow, breakfast in bed.
Buen provecho, birthday boy. I love you.
Love you too, baby. Thank you. We just made it off the mountain. The way down took way less time than the way up. I look good. Look good for 31. Look at this.
We love you.
Love ya! Happy birthday!
Thanks.
We haven't even gotten on the thing. They're not letting us in and they're not issuing us a refund because we're wearing strapped on sandals. So these shoes are not safe enough. These are.
I never thought that I would see Chase wearing fake Crocs.
Did you scream?
Yeah.
That was scary, huh?
No.
Look, I'm shaking.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, adrenaline's pumping. Good morning, friends. The day of saying bye to the vans have come. We have been cleaning all morning. We pick up a car rental and we are about to drive 2 hours to head to Isabela, which is our next destination. We're gonna be staying in an Airbnb on the beach. So we're gonna give you a whole shebang. Hotel life, van life, and now Airbnb life. The van was good to us, but I'm ready to be in a big house and maybe take a long shower.
We'll see you next Sunday.